Hello friends, welcome to Android Gateway YouTube channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how to pass Gotranscript MCQs test. So first of all, you must read Gotranscription guideline rules. This guideline rule is very important. You must apply all these guideline rules to the MCQs test as well as audio test. After reading all these transcription guidelines, you easily pass Gotranscript MCQs test. So you must read all these transcription guideline rules all the way to the end 1 to 2 times. This will help you during the audio test exam as well. The clean verbatim section is very important in this guideline. So you must focus on this clean verbatim section. This clean verbatim section is help you in audio test. So after reading this transcription guideline, let's start the MCQs test first. And let's move to the first question. And question is apply for transcriber position. Each question can have one or more correct answer. So first question is, how does time stamping every 2 minutes looks? There is 5 different options. So if you move to the time stamping section in Clean Verbatim and you see time stamping format must be bold, and we use this bracket mean large brackets. So in first question, first option is false because it's not in bold form. Second option is also false because it's use these small brackets. C option is also false, and D option is correct because it is bold form and correct brackets. So that's why first option is D. First question answer is D. Second option, if there is a combination of single digit numbers and all other numerals in the same sentence, for example, I have one pencil and 15 pencils, how will you transcribe it? So there is 4 different options. If you read the transcription guideline about numerals section, you get the answer. If we move to the this numeral section and you see spell out our digital numbers, and here money, expectation, and so on. Year, age, percentage, measurement, mathematical question, we all use in numerals form. So that's why second answer is B. B is the correct option of second question. And third question is, how should you mark an incomplete thought due to the change of thought or an incomplete sentence that adds some extra information? Full verbatim. So there is four, uh, 5 different option, and correct option is if we move to the incomplete thought and simply check in transcription guideline and incomplete thought. Use double dashes when there is a change of thought, false start, or speech error. Mark an incomplete. So we use double dashes. Incomplete sentence record as for VTM. I wanted to say something, but and this way double dashes are used. So that's why first option is correct because it used double dashes. Other option is false. It also used double dashes because there is a gap between Columbia and dashes. So that's why first option is correct. Fourth question is, what is the correct way to mark false start in full verbatim? We simply check in transcription guideline and you see use double dashes when there is a change of thought. In brackets there is written or false start, so we use double dashes. So that's why first option is false because it's used three dashes. This C option is correct. I went to, then use double dashes. I split the last time. So that's why fourth question answer is C. And fifth question is, if there is a comment next to the audio file saying please use the embedded time or burn-in time, what do you have to do? So there is two different options, and correct option is if we simply check in transcription guideline. So there is a note, if there is a comment next to the audio file saying please use embedded time or a burn time, you will need to download the file in order to watch this video and use the correct time. So that's why this B option is correct of fifth question. And sixth question, how should you write number as numeral for? So we simply check in transcription guideline rules and you see here spell out digital number used as expectation and apply to reliability, money, years, age, percentage, measurement, mathematical equation, fraction, postal code, etc. So that's why first option is correct, second option is also correct, D option is correct, E option and F. So except C, all other option is correct. Sixth question. And seventh question, in clean verbatim, the transcribed text does not include. So you simply check in clean verbatim section, and in clean verbatim section you see the transcribed text does not include speech error, false start, starter, repetition, filler word, and here is a note, expression should be kept regardless of verbatim, and other slang word does not include, and so on. So that's why filler word, repetition and starter, these three options are not included in clean verbatim. And eighth question is, I meet dash in Lithuania. So there is three different options and correct option is C. Then start with capital letter, another word is small. So eighth question answer is C. Ninth question, the examination will consist dash two section. Will consist of two section. Of is the correct option. And 10th and last question, how should you transcribe spoken contraction in clean verbatim? So we simply check in here. So here is never change spoken contraction, that's it, regardless the verbatim. So that's why this B option is correct. So after all, you need to click on confirm. After clicking on confirm, you move to the next page of Gotranscript audio test. So please check video description, there is a link for audio test. And I hope this video is helpful for you. So please like this video and also do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. See you soon.